64. Men walking along the railroad tracks, they're going someplace there's no going back. Highway patrol choppers coming up over the ridge, hot soup on a campfire under the bridge, shelter line stretching round the corner. Welcome to the new world order. Families sleeping in their cars in the Southwest. No home, no job, no peace, no rest. The highway is alive tonight. Where it's headed, everybody knows. I'm sitting down here in the campfire light, waiting on the ghost of Tom Jones.